welcome back to another video, and I am making out a food. Where's that tomato? With the food. So we got this, and this goes in here, and you can pull it out. So basically, it's one set. Like, so you're in the fridge, you're digging for stuff, and you go, oh, I can't find my tomato. And then you look in here, and you're like, found my tomato. Well, anyway, we're gonna come back to this whenever we're done. So we're going to make a little freezer thing on the bottom right here. So we're going to put a smelly pencil line. Why I say smelly pencil? Because this is one of those smelly pencil things. It smells delicious. And then right above this thing, we're going to do a little drawer. So J for drawer, F for freezer. Probably wondering why I have gloves on. Because I was using paint earlier and I got my hands covered in paint. For absolutely no reason. Because I colored some of this clay white and then I didn't even need it. So, let's get to cutting. I'll come back to you guys whenever I'm done cutting the freezer line thing. Okay guys, we just cut out the refrigerator thing, which this thing is going to be a slide out. And well, the freezer, and then the drawer, this little like fruit drawer like we have on our fridge over here. This is basically done to be fridge part, but it's gonna open from this side, and then the pull-out drawer, and then there's gonna be a freezer, like that. The ice thing is just gonna be like up here, which is what we're gonna be using this for. Or maybe we should put it here. Comment down below where you think we should put it. And then these things are like handles. So yeah, okay guys, we're going to be making the fridge thing. So later we're going to be painting it white or silver, whatever we're gonna think the top of the fridge is. Oh my gosh. We used a knife to cut it, so probably what it was. But I'll put the knife away so I don't cut myself. Okay, so to make the drawer, Mom, can I use the knife by myself with your We're going to be cutting it here, and then here. I was about to cut myself, so my mom's doing the cutting. Yeah, I was like all, as you saw. So yeah, now okay guys, so we finished, well I finished cutting it out, because the knife, I look like a murderer whenever I use the knife. So yeah, now we're gonna need, where's the tape? Here's the tape. So we're going to basically be taping these to the side. And yeah, obviously we are going to be doing this. On the inside. On the inside piece, since this on the inside stays, stupid little tape, because we used that Amazon Prime box thing. Whatever. Okay, this glove is giving me troubles. My hands feel so weird now. And we are basically just giving... Dad, be quiet when you're flushing the toilet!
Eva.
What's that? Trying to be funny. Please! They're better? They're better, Mom? To need a little bit more. Okay, yeah guys, so now it's standing up. We may just need a little bit more here because this thing, I think I went a little short, or maybe it fits perfectly. Yep, it's fine, we're good. Well, anyway, we just need to stick that on there, and then see. Where's the other piece of this go? Ah! Oh, here it is. And we're also, I put the F for fridge because of this thing. So yeah, we're gonna put the F for fridge on this side facing in. Okay, great. And now to do the back one. cut off all the excess of this one. This is taking too long. I'll come back with you guys whenever I finish doing all this, so yeah. Okay guys, we fixed this side. It took about 20 minutes-ish, I don't know. But now we're gonna be using clay. Shout out to Crayola. They make so many things. They make magenta markers. They make clay. They make Model Magic. Oh my gosh, they just make so many cool things. So yeah, we're gonna take some of this clay. And we are going to, wait, what was I gonna do with this again? Oh yeah. We are going to fix this thing because it got a little too short because me and my mom measured and maybe the tall of this keeps it in. Okay, so guys, we are going to just make this thing a little taller here. So we're going to basically roll this out, bring it down, measure it. You know, for this we can use this. And we're going to be cutting this off and setting it aside to dry. Just like these things are. I wonder if we microwave it, it'll cool down more. I wonder if it says anything about this. Hey Mom, I'll take the phone because this hand's clean while you see if this says anything about microwaving to let it cool on this side. Can you let me see the phone? No, Mom, you're not showing it with the camera. Okay, let me see the camera and you will read it. Mom.
It says air dry.
Oh, come on, so just air dries? Can't put it in the microwave to heat it up faster. Oh, brat. Well, anyway, gosh, I'm gonna shut the door one sec. Guys, I'm back from shutting the door. Now we are basically going, I wanna make this thing a little taller because I feel like it's too deep for the food. One sec. Let me find something that would be a good example. Why am I using this in the freezer? This for the freezer. I mean, like, come on. I mean, like, does this look like it would fit this? I mean, this is our generation, and if our generation you're watching, I mean, like, you're good at making stuff, but the sizing. I mean, should a banana be bigger than a milk jug? I mean, come on. Mom's in the background going. Anyway, yeah. So I think this thing should be like a tiny bit taller, something like that. But yeah, should we check out the drawer thing? Yeah, the drawer thing looks like it's gonna be fine. Okay, so yeah, time for this thing. You guys know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same thing that we did here. Oh, this tape's about to run out, brat. Guys, if you do not know how much I use tape, Mom, explain to them while I tape this down.
Explain to them how I buy you tape all the time?
No, explain to them how much I use tape.
It's ridiculous. She uses all of our tape. So much so that we give her a ton of tape for Christmas.
And then I use it all in like a week.
Yeah.
I'll come back to you guys whenever I'm done finding my tape. So, I mean, might as well give it a good goodbye. And I'm using the curved side. Dad's doing something odd like he always is. But yeah, we're going to basically just be flattening this out. So first we're gonna move everything out of the way because I'm gonna be ripping off this table thing. Whatever I was using it for, I was using it for not making a mess, but I mean, what's the point of not making a mess? Sorry guys, you got covered up. Oh no, I think I lost something. One sec, did something go down? No, I lost it. Oh. Okay, well guys, anyways, oh no, looks like I did actually lose it, but looks like we need to cut out another thing of this. This side's more longer. Okay, great guys. But yeah. So basically what we are doing is we are taking the clay and we are flattening it out, as you can see. Yeah. So I got my unicorn phone holder right here, and we're just going to prop you guys up on there. Ah. Okay, great, guys. So now you can see the table perfectly. Oh no, I lost the thing. I lost the stupid thing again. So we are going to be cutting it again, and hopefully not losing it this time. Okay, great. And as you guys can see, we're flattening it out. We're going to be rounding this up. Rounding, that just sounds weird. I'm going to be rounding this thing up. And sticking. One sec, I need to cut this thing to like here or something. And we are going to now just and stick this in like this. Okay, so while this thing is almost done, we are going to be just adding some last final touches to it. Like the sides of the box, they have these little like outline things. And yes, guys, we are going to be adding some color to this. So let me just grab the color pins, and we're going to be coloring it. And so basically, what I did is I just cut out all the pieces. I didn't put it together yet. Yeah, I just needed to get all the pieces. Yeah, the bottom base, the two side walls, and then the other two side walls. They need to be cut. It will happen. So yeah. Oh, you guys need a more down angle. One sec. Oh no. Technical difficulties. Wait a minute, I totally forgot we know how to cut these. Technical difficulties. Oh my gosh, my hair looks terrible. I just don't notice that. Okay. Everything's falling. Nothing's going my way. There's tape stuck on the table. Mom, can you shush the dogs? Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. A little too harsh with the tape, I might say myself. We said shush. We didn't mean go bark in a different place. We meant be quiet. Guys, it's our dogs. They are very annoying. Especially right now. Okay guys, so we're done with the sides. I just need to cut out the original one because it's kind of too small. We're going to be trying to fit this thing in. And these things need to be a little bit shorter. They're kind of way too tall. Yeah, so now it'll fit in. Yay, now it will fit in. Now it looks so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Mom, the dogs are messing me up. Can you please tell them to be quiet? Because they're not listening. Sorry guys, the dogs are being real dumb and real crazy. So if they'll just stop, that would be great. Shut up, dogs! Would ya? Guys, I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this. So. the thing done, set to the side, but I was thinking this thing needs a handle to pull out. So I'm going to be making a handle for it. Because all the other handles are for, like, you know, the top drawer and then the fridge. Okay guys, so we got the handle done for this. We're going to be using a handle that is already done and made. So then we'll be good. But this handle, we are going to be painting it white and then some yellow on top of the white. I'm going to need a napkin to set this on while I get the yellow. And we're going to be using this yellow from Apple Barba. It is called Make Acrylic Paint Quickly Drying Easy Cleanup. Okay, now we're gonna paint this. The top side of it yellow. Why yellow? Don't know. But I mean, like, this yellow is not gonna be, like, really light because I'm using white in it too. Now I'm gonna set this aside over here on that drying place to dry. Yeah. Okay, guys, whenever I snap my fingers, the thing for this drawer will be done. Wait a minute, I did that wrong. The thing for this drawer will be done. Oh wait, the freezer I need to put in the popsicles with nothing in them yet. Of course, because the popsicle's still drying over here. But yeah, so, sorry, it went a little blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with this, the pull-out drawer. And the pull-out drawer is a place for fruit. So I'm just going to be digging through this bag of American Girl food, trying to find all the fruit. We got a cut in half apple. With the other half right here. We're going to be putting that in the drawer. We got a lemon. And then what else do we got? Yeah, we got an orange. We got an oversized banana, which I'm not putting in there. Yay, no oversized bananas. Sorry guys, the phone just fell down because this thing fell. But yeah. So I think maybe, I don't know. But I think just maybe we're gonna have to take out the apple. One sec, guys, I think I lost something in here. No, I didn't lose anything. I'm good. I thought I lost it. Maybe we're going to have to take out the oranges is definitely what it is. Okay, guys, I'm going to be putting this thing back in after I cut this thing down to size. Ha! Show ya. And maybe cut this out a little. This here. Now I think just maybe it'll work and go in, or maybe I'll push it through the fridge like I just did. Here's what it looks like from the inside of the fridge. It looks so weird. Like it's just all from the inside of the fridge. So I think for this one, we're gonna need like a little shelf under it or something. Because this thing was totally just like falling down from the inside of here. If you guys can even see it. But this thing was on the top and it was all bleg. Bleg is another word for all, like, you know. Okay guys, so we're going to make a, what's it called? A shelf. Thing like a shelf, you know, like an elf on the shelf, elf on. Okay, that's not funny because it's not Christmas. But yeah, just maybe like a little shelf there. So we are going to be using, Okay, guys, I'm gonna scoot you guys back so you guys can, like, you know, see a little bit more of this stuff. Move the clay that's behind you in front of you. Move this stuff because this stuff is not really that important right now. So yeah, we're just gonna be putting this here, moving this back, putting this here, and then moving you aside because I don't really need you. Move down. Hey guys, so yeah, see this, I'm going to be measuring out the side. Isha, right there. Okay guys, now we just need to tape this thing on or get it on somehow, so, 1 sec. So, yeah, I got a mustache. My mustache! Well, anyway, I found my tomato, and the tomato does not quite fit in there, so tomato's covered in stuff. So 1 sec. Just, you know. Rabbit. That didn't help, so I'm just gonna eat that in the fridge. Okay, guys, so while I am taping this thing together, you guys get to look at the inside of the fridge. Yeah. Technical difficulties. Get it? Because I'm using tape. Okay, guys. Well, anyway, now I'm just taping it on to the thing. Now we're having no technical difficulties. If you even get what I mean by technical difficulties, because I'm using tape. Okay, great. Now let's. And now let's try it, because I put a little thing in here if you couldn't quite tell. Okay, 1 sec. Now I put a little thing in here. Things are falling, but I don't know what it is. Still don't know. But anyway, it's fine. Okay, am I putting this in the wrong way? No. Yes. Okay, guys, but now I know this thing is like very floppy. You can see it's very floppy, so we are going to be using clay, measuring it out and using some of this clay. So 1 sec, guys. It's about this long, so we need to get a glove and do it on top of the glove. It's about that long. Now we need my little shiny scissors. Woo! Introducing scissors that never fit me. Yay, so dumb. Okay, well anyway guys, I need to point this at, you know, this mark is behind here, why? At the table, wow, we need to clear everything. You know, the table's a mess right now, guys, so don't look at it. Look at it right now. We're gonna take out the freezer drawer and flip this thing kind of sideways-ish. You guys cannot see what I'm doing right now, so sorry about that. Hey, Mom. I need you to come hold the phone up so the people can see what I'm doing because they can't see from the angle that they're in. 1 sec, guys. You're about to see what I'm doing. It's really hard to see. Okay, guys, so I flipped this thing down. Now we are going behind it. Mom, I said behind it. Now we are just pushing it down here, like this. Guys, Mom is actually doing the camera through me, so I am really looking at the camera right now. Now we're gonna be doing this. Okay, great. Now we're gonna add some tape. Right here. This is so we don't have to wait till it dries for it to be sturdy. Now we're going to be adding some tape. I don't know, to just the top of it, you know, like that stuff. Okay, great, guys. Now we are going to fold it in I said to fold it. To fold it in. Great. Okay, great. Now we're going to be adding, oops, wrong way. We're going to be adding, okay guys, we are having lots of troubles right now fitting this thing in, the fruit thing in. Now to do this, and yeah. Oh, and this thing that we're using, we don't really need anymore, so I mean, might as well. No, it's almost dry, so yeah, whatever. On this thing's almost dry too for the freezer. Oh wait, no, this is for this pull-out, isn't it? Oh, I don't know. I'll just have to look back in the video. But yeah. The dogs are squeaking. The squeaky toy. It is very annoying. Yes, I know. Here's the popsicle. Mom, does this feel dry to you?
It's close enough.
Okay, guys, so now we are just going to put this inside. Oh no, the tape broke. My wallet broke. Okay, great. Now we're just going to be putting this one thing in. One sec, guys. Come follow me. I have a great idea. Let's go. Wrong way. It's already over here. Never mind. Okay, guys, so we are going to be making it like real popsicles. Wait a minute. Yeah, I have a better way of doing this. Let's go. So we got it out. Now we need some tape. Oh no, the popsicle's getting broken. Oh no. It's fine. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna be taping this shut, get off. You know, we'll get off all the XX tape. So guys, the camera that we're using is about to die. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be done with a little bit whenever, well, just with some clay work, whenever you see me again on the phone. So yeah. Hey guys, we'll go back. I just stopped the video for a little bit so I could do this. So I made another popsicle. Here's all the food that I'm gonna be using. Here's the clay. And I kind of organize things out. Mom, do a little like up high view, everything. So I just repainted this. This is the drawer right here that slides in. And then I painted the front of the fruit drawer. And then the freezer's right here. I painted the front of it. And then I basically just painted this. And I need to finish doing all the codes. So yeah, I will come back to you guys whenever it's all finished. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be putting this thing in right here, right next to the side, and zipping this thing shut. Okay, now we're going to need this, and mark it about right here, and this, mark it about right here. What we're going to be doing is making a little package. You know, I need these scissors for this. We'll go back. I just stopped the video for a little bit so I could do this. So I made another popsicle. Here's all the food that I'm going to be using. Here's the clay. And I kind of organize things out. Mom, do a little like up high view, everything. So I just repainted this. This is the drawer right here that slides in. And then I painted the front of the fruit drawer. And then the freezer's right here. I painted the front of it. And then I basically just painted this. And I need to finish doing all the codes. So yeah, I will come back to you guys whenever it's all finished. So, okay guys, so I finished painting the fridge except for on the top. But we got some gray and then white on the inside, just like our fridge, with some gray drips, not like our fridge. And then I painted this white. I added that one more popsicle in here. Mom, if you want to show them, because my hands are covered in paint. But yeah. I'll come back to you guys whenever I'm done basically putting all these on, and y'all. Okay guys, so come on over here, you guys, and I will show you what I've done. So as you can see, I painted it all nice, so not the back and not the top yet. But I painted it all nice, and then you take this handle, which is not done drying yet, and you open it up. But first you have this, and you open up, and you can see some tuna and some peaches in a can. Then here is the refrigerated drawer. And I gotta be careful right now because this just got finished painted. And it's like all the cardboard and all this, whatever this is made out of, yeah, cardboard, has gotten all watery and it's kind of lazy. But there's a lemon and a cut in half apple. And then here is the popsicles. There are 2 in here, and I'll show you that tomorrow because I'm going to have to check back in with you guys tomorrow. And I'm going to open this up. And as you can see, I put some clay under here, but I painted it, so it may be hard to tell. But I'm going to put some milk up here, some milky milk, and some peanut butter. And yeah, so tomorrow, whenever I check back in with you guys, this box is going to be full with popsicles, and there's going to be 2 more shelves here. Or here is just going to be like the spot for this, and it's going to be like blocked off maybe here or something. I don't know. But this thing's falling and I need to put that on. Well, anyway, shall we fill up the top together? Yes, we shall. Guys, I have this weird orange juice in a container, 100% natural. Weird. Now we got some Nutella. And we got this. Where should we put this? I forgot what it's called, Mom. What is this called?
Looks like a pepper.
A pepper, thank you. I forgot what they were called for a second. But yeah, we still got tons to decorate. But yeah, basically I'll come back with you guys tomorrow. Gotta finish getting all the paint off this table. So yeah, see you tomorrow.